Hey everybody, it's Ron. We're in the shop today, Concours Auto Salon, and behind us we have a brand new Z28 Camaro that had hail damage on it. I said had, we fixed it all. But behind me is one nice big juicy dent that we left. We're going to show you how we fix it. Stick around. Hey, welcome everybody. It's Ron at Concours Auto Salon, and a lot of times people want to know what it takes to fix a dent in a car. And what I've got here is a dent in a brand new Z28 Camaro. Really what it takes to repair a dent successfully and have you happy is a passion. And that's what I have for my business and for repairing dents. I have a passion for it. I'm going to do my best and take on just about any challenge somebody can bring to me to repair their dent. If I give you a price, I would never come back and quote you a higher price after the repair is done. The price I quote you before the repair is the price that you're going to pay. So I take into a lot of factors into pricing out a dent, access, difficulty, depth, and how many hours I think it's going to take to repair it. If I think it's going to take 2 hours to repair a dent and it ends up taking me 4 hours, well, that's on me. That's not on you. It's my fault for not figuring that right out in the beginning. So now comes the part where we're going to start repairing the dent, and you'll see where we're worth our money and what it takes to fix this dent. So I'll speed this up so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. We'll start off a little slow, then we'll go fast, and you guys can see exactly what it takes to fix this dent on this car. Okay, so a lot of times people think that we're going to get behind or we're going to suck the dents out, and we're not going to suck the dents out. We are going to pull the dents out. We're going to use a glue pulling system. There's no access to the back side of this dent in this rail here. If we drilled through a couple of steel panels, then we could probably gain access, but that wouldn't be good for the structural integrity of your car. So we're going to glue pull this, so sit tight with me here. This is an unmolested dent. We haven't touched it. It's not manufactured by us. It is from hail. So we've got a hot glue gun here and our tab with some glue on it. Sucker little pull here. Okay, so our first pull, a lot of people would think that's pretty easy, but it's actually knowing where to place the tab. And I'll pull the camera in here and you can look and see what's left to do. We still have a lot of work left to do on this dent here. So you can see we still have part of the dent here. It's pulled up actually beyond where it's supposed to be right here. There's another dent here. There's still a smile down here. And we've got a kind of a depression along there and a depression along here. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock down what we've pulled up here and try to get it as flush as possible. Really what it takes to repair a dent successfully and have you happy is a passion. And that's what I have for my business and for repairing dents. I have a passion for it. All right, everybody, so finished the dent. Came out great. Let me pan down here so you guys can check it out. Well, the dent's all done. We showed you how it looked afterwards. Came out great. Probably an hour to an hour and a half repair time. Is the price worth it? Heck yeah. Heck yeah, it's worth it. When you consider to send us to a traditional body shop, you're looking at about $800 or $900. That's to paint the panel right, repair the damage there. And I'm not talking spotting in a little area of paint here. People think you can do that. It's not, it's possible, but in a year's time, you're gonna see blend lines where that clear coat has stopped. So that's not the right way to repair it. Right way is to go from breaking point where the roof ends down there by the fender all the way back to the tail light. That's a breaking point back there into the glass right here. And then down in here, that's where they tape it off down in this groove down in here. So totally worth it. Saved time, saved a ton of money, and in turn saved us factory finish. And we made a couple of bucks at the deal, and hopefully you guys will see the value in our paintless dent repair service and bring your cars into us. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great afternoon.